Fall color in the Midwest is a fleeting time. Maybe we have 2 good weeks of the year where everything is beautiful. And we got seduced. I was with my good friend Howard, and you're going to hear in a moment how nice of a guy he really is. And he went along with his Canon R5. I went along with 2 of my drones, and we saw this road going off and decided we'd go scouting just to see where it went. The further we went, the prettier the colors got. And it was a great chance to just see how my old iPhone 13 Pro would do against a Canon R5. We're not in competition, but it's kind of a curious comparison. Now, I shot a lot of the photos in D&G RAW on the 13 Pro, and the Canon R5 was also in RAW. So we had a pretty good comparison. Obviously, 12 megapixels doesn't completely compare to 45, but it was fun. And I had a good time with my friend. Come along and take a look at how beautiful the Midwest can be. This is a Hidden Creek Road. It's a branch off Femme Osage Creek Road, and we just couldn't resist. Eventually, we're going to end up in the little town of Femme Osage, and we went to the old United Church of Christ there. It's been there since the early 1800s, and it was just a beautiful fall setting, beautiful time of the evening with the golden hour, the light, and just kind of a magical time. Fall is magical anyway, and then you're out in the evening. You've already probably seen some of my drone videos with the fall colors and the late evening light. So we are really blessed to have this time together. Good fellowship, good friendship, and a good time. There's the church. Yep, we're going to turn around there. Here's an old schoolhouse or cemetery. We're going to come back here, and maybe there's a photograph there. I think there is. You actually have some light on it. Okay, we're going now.
very typical. This is a neat shot because you've got the whatchamacallit in the background, the graves in the background.
Okay, well, you can go shoot.
I'm gonna go shoot. I don't want to get in your way.
You won't. I was doing great till you slammed the door.
Oh, I'm sorry. In about a half hour.